Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Pilar and today we're going to be doing cactus salad. Well, this is a very special dish because it's made out of nopal, or translated to English would be cactus. And this is a plant that when we cook it, it tastes really good, but you need to know how to cook it first in order to introduce it to your dishes. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to prepare the cactus so you can use it in other type of dishes. So this is our raw cactus that it's already been chopped. We're going to be putting them in a pan here, and as you notice, we're not putting any water on it, it's just the cactus. Why? Because the cactus is full of water. So if we put water in it, it tends to overcook. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the pot and make sure that you have a tight lid to that pot, and we're gonna turn it to medium at the beginning, and then whenever it starts getting hot, we're gonna turn it to low and let it simmer until the cactus is completely cooked. And I will show you at the end how this looks like. But to save some time, I already have some cooked cactus here that this is what we're gonna use to prepare our salad. So again, this is a really simple dish. So you're gonna get a bowl and you're gonna put your cactus in there, and we're gonna be using red tomato. For this recipe, I use Roma tomato, and we're gonna incorporate that to our bowl. Then we are gonna do the onion, and we're using red onion too for this recipe. And you can use white or yellow onion, but I prefer the taste of red onion. And we're gonna sprinkle it with cilantro, fresh cilantro. And I can hear that my cactus is already simmering, so I'm gonna lower the heat here, okay? And then we are gonna use some salt. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit of dried oregano. And this is only gonna be a pinch. Okay, this gives it a very pleasant taste. And to finish up our recipe, we're gonna take some lemon and we're gonna squeeze it. And it will depend on the size of your lemon, the amount that you want to put. So I usually say in my recipes, lemon to taste. So you can try it on as you are preparing it to see if it has the right amount. And after you do that, you just mix it. And this will be your final result. This could be used as a side dish, or you can actually eat it by itself with some crackers or some chips, some corn chips. So there you go, a fast, easy, and very nutritious recipe. So our cactus is finally cooked. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take a strainer and we're just gonna strain our whole pot here. And you are gonna notice that it's a little bit slimy, but this is gonna go away in our strainer. And what you're gonna do is just move it a little bit around, and you're gonna get all the liquid out. And this is how you want your cactus or nopales to look before you start cooking them or putting them in with other ingredients. And you know, cactus is a very good source of fiber. So if you include this in your diet, you're sure enough to get the fiber you need for that day. And it also helps control cholesterol and prevents diabetes. So if in your household you have somebody that's battling with these diseases, I really recommend that you include this ingredient in your kitchen.